The Dead Sea, located in Israel, is a unique natural wonder that attracts tourists from around the world. Known for its high salt concentration and therapeutic mud, it offers a one-of-a-kind experience for travelers seeking relaxation and rejuvenation. The Dead Sea is situated at the lowest point on Earth, more than 400 meters below sea level. Its saline water is so dense that swimmers can effortlessly float on its surface. This phenomenon has made the Dead Sea a popular destination for those looking to experience weightlessness while enjoying the stunning surroundings. Aside from its recreational benefits, the Dead Sea also boasts numerous health benefits. The mineral-rich mud found along its shores is renowned for its healing properties and is often used in spa treatments and skincare products. Tourism in the region has flourished due to the unique offerings of the Dead Sea. Visitors can indulge in various activities such as floating in its waters, covering themselves with therapeutic mud, or simply relaxing by the shore while enjoying breathtaking views of the surrounding desert landscape. Travelers who have visited the Dead Sea often praise its tranquil atmosphere and remarkable natural beauty. The serene environment coupled with the exceptional health benefits make it an ideal destination for those seeking both relaxation and wellness during their travels. In summary, a visit to the Dead Sea in Israel promises an unforgettable experience filled with natural wonders and therapeutic indulgence. Whether you are seeking a unique travel adventure or aiming to improve your well-being through mineral-rich treatments, this extraordinary destination offers it all.